So welcome back people to the video for Mr. Brian farm. You see me and more show me how we milk cow. Yeah man and all them thing there. So before we start, we just want to take in some footage of one video I do. I got river a couple days ago, you see me? Epic video, but you know, we just check out it and then I roll over to this video. You see it? Anybody know what this, just let me know, you see me? Tell me in the comment section how this. See if me see tree. Tree up there, so. Then I long look here. Then I road the lead back to Hopewell, go straight back to Main Ridge, come back out what they say name? Penance.
Family around here. Outside Grogan.
Don't say.
All in my place around here too, you know.
David, they are checking, you know. That is it. Down in a long look bush people. See if I can find one tangerine in the bush of people. Yeah, man, right, I'll hold him no peeps, nice size, you know. Country life are the best life. Put that one in my pocket. Pick one more, you see it?
Oh, yeah, I pick up everyone. You can see
Oh, that one there. Some bird are sitting like this.
Are you see that?
The one next one is too. And the country in a small bush no man, you can't trespass, you know. Just a reap off island. Land provide and bird there and them down in all of them are sitting now. Before a man come pick two, where you go say? And that be a bird there and them there.
Yeah. Once I end up on the wrong side, I can't get right upon them, I see. I can't catch them, but let me go over to the tree and pop down, I'm not at the fun. Like, orange, but I'm not go around him.
My told you in so much I'm waiting.
We take a eat.
Place well fruitful people say breadfruit upon tree same way. Rolling more than one tangerine tree. Tangerine there upon tree, you see me? Orange tree over there, so one more orange tree are full of ripe orange, you see me? That me deal with this, I eat one orange people. Yeah man. Juicy and nice peeps. Chocolate there upon tree too, you know peeps. Same thing we call cocoa. We don't really eat it like that, isn't it? Some people eat it, but we don't eat it aside. Chop this to me, dog.
First time we just chop off, that's the time just chop it, so you see me?
Yeah man.
And just bust it so. Yeah.
That is it. So sample it people. It's nice still no, but I'm not sick no me like, you see me? Yeah, sample it see when I couldn't assist to you see me? Sweet. Go find cane, go find one breadfruit. From Field. Oh, go on, sir.
So what? Them guys.
Alright, sir. Yeah, man, meat orange, man.
I get too fat, man. You want to run up and down. So one on some.
Lumber cut. Yeah, man, down in the bush. Lumber them cut up on a line out, you know? That is it.
That is it, you know. You know what the thing go, you know?
Where is
Down in the Island Bamboo.
No joke.
Nah, there's half a man street on the side of the command break video. That is it.
Mountain side, people. But that's how we are look upon a Smithville, you see me? Yeah, man. Smithville go back to Thompson Town. So, the river we go, which is Thomas River, you see me? But section of Thomas River we call this a 2 meeting. Because part of the river run come from Smithville part, or run come from Effort. That's right. But we Orangeville they are one side and Smithville they are one side, you see me? And the river I border between the two communities them. They're far in the bush, peeps, far. Like 6 miles walk. So you can see all the man them gone down in some bush down there, so go and left me car through me film my same time. I now move as fast as them. Yeah, peeps, they're in a paradise, you see me? So go and peel up one orange, you see? Yeah, man, we soon start the hunt. So I go and catch up my stomach, you know? Walk for about 6 miles. 9 hills. Best part about it, downhill, you see me? So reach fast. Take about 1 hour to reach, but to go back up, that's going to be the hard part. Yeah, man, they say you peel the orange and nothing drop off your skin now. You get the full skin, you get a new shirt, you know? I know what you that do, but parents they tell you that when you're looking at your side. Yeah, man. Orange are well juicy and nice, people. Yeah, man. as me say peeps, you see me? I saw shrimp we have today, you see me? So river shrimp. So what we are gonna do? We're gonna figure out and wrap them. We're gonna take up some trash and all them things there and see if we can find some aside. But see them in the water already, peeps, you see me? So hopefully today we get a good turnout, you know. Hopefully the hunt will be successful aside. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. See man, no peeps. That first one, you know. That is it. First one, that peeps. Squeezing it, coming on to flick way. They hard to see in our water, you know, peeps, plus they're fast, you see me? So they're not so easy to catch. Lucky if you see that one there swim past. If you find one can catch today, peeps, can't say me not catch nothing, see me? Eh?
Feel like I found what now, girl?
Huh?
I think I find stone.
You know if you go in.
Yeah, man, small cool in this. You can go under this, so you may show you one.
They're fast people. But then there, you see me? No worry yourself, see me.
What should we see?
That's a big job, you know. You need to wear a big job. Come before you get.
That man say we better go be straight.
You're not for sure if you can't go this way.
Only if I was
That is it, peeps. Get a nice little wash off little while, you see me? Yeah man. Water very fresh and nice. That over this I catch up on fire. And I check in and see what I deal with. You see that over breadfruit fire that? That is it, man. So we do it now, peeps. We use the adventure vlog style now.
Come here, show you how we catch the fire. Them style that we using. Remember them old time days, yeah? Yeah, that's how the fire catch without a lighter, you see me? I'll show you later on, you see me?
No joke.
No lie. We take a whole heap of work, see, you see me? First, I have to creep off them little things, you know? Yeah, but I like the fire, see me?
Yeah man, survival style. You say I like that one, eh? Ja. You hear that, peeps? Survival. So if I'm doing it, see there? Fire blaze now and smoke a pull off, you know. 3 roasting breadfruit there in a fire there.
So take a little time, you know, people?
Yeah,
alright.
patience do it, you see it? But when you don't see result already, people, see the fire there so blaze up. So now I see more than that, breadfruit or roast, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. Still there same way people, so far we don't go catch like 5 eye shrimps them, you see me, but they are same way, they are still active, you see me? We are going to try same way and see if we can catch them more, you see me? And cook them up, so just stay tuned peeps. Just there go and enjoy nature same way, you see it? The man are going to take in some beautiful scenery. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, you see me? Go and enjoy river same way. So yeah though.
I'm in the car, yeah?
I'm just like you wash off your teeth with water first.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So I'm heading them just to release the calf, you see me? So you can get some milk, you know.
Move, dog. Move. What do you?
So when the calf suck milk, it make the milk more free up. You see me? So we can get more milk out of our mother. So that was the strategy Mr. Brian used to get more milk, you see me? So I'll try again to see if he can get some more. Move, dog, move. And kick in. I'll bite my bite after you say bad. You know if you approach him, you know. Hmm? Yeah, man. Look like say you can free it up so you can come out faster. Man, you get to a nice buckle of amount. So yeah, I use it and I make one pot of chocolate tea, man, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh, man.
Black mouth, go ahead. Black mouth, go ahead.
No, I think you have to get the milk neither, you know? Nice, about the milk, man. Let me see what can I see? Yes, a milk rich, you know. Strong, natural cow milk, people. Right from the cow breast to the bottle. So you release back and now if you go free, you know. So you go do you now, look grass with them. They were looking sharp up. Then I get some corn bush. Saying getting reward people after and get milk. Get some nice corn tree for eat. You corn them already pick off already, you see me? Yeah, man, so don't know after we left us so peeps we are go boil some original chocolate tea, you see me? Cocoa tea. Yeah man. The same cow's milk we use. So we just get come over and boil some corn soup and do one like a cook up, you see me? Yeah man. Corn them fresh from the farm same way. Yesterday I shelled them out and put them in the fridge. Got this peeps. Think of this then called yam seed in there, you see me? The two of them depend on that. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'm not sure if something we can plant back or what, but I think I see it already and somebody tell me see a yam seed in him. Yeah man. Nice man. You know, see that's a sorrel pretty down here man. Pine blossom them pine sorrel people. Yeah man, you have a nice piece of sorrel. You know, saying in December people, Christmas time, you get your sorrel fresh from the farm. Kind of boil it off. The one they have white sorrel. Yeah man, peeps, so all of them have the red burgundy look there, see me? Some of them and call them white sorrel, but they're really green, you see me? Yeah man, I eat this. Yeah. Yeah man, peeps, we can't get over them I'm pretty man. Yeah man, the boss are going good for a 70-year-old farmer, you know? Still at it same way. Go and do the right thing and keep active and keep fit. And also bring food to his table, you see me? I come out of the bush and I wonder, but if you don't do it, you see me? Just stay tuned same way. Have some more niceness to share with you know. Yeah man. So just stay tuned peeps. Reaching off I farm peeps and breadfruit the pan fire go and roast, you know. So me I check in and show you chocolate when I did and cow's milk, that's right. That is it. Chocolate, them I go and grate up your side to make a chocolate tea. Yeah man. So how you deal with the chocolate for you stay like how you stay like so? What you do to it for you look so? So you get the dry, you get the dry from off the tree, you get the fruit.
No, get the dry and pick it and shell out and put it in dry.
And that may I try find out. You pick it and shell out, you put it in dry and then what?
Party and shell out it and put in a mortar and beat it, then make a you make them and put them down till then and make them set.
Okay. When you say party, you mean say you have to one pot, get one pot on the fire, get the pot out and put it in the
Dry chocolate.
The dry chocolate seed, them nice. Yeah man, as you can see it arise, you see me? So time for you turn off. almost come all the way over upon the stove. So where we are doing now, just wait until the chocolate pot start boil up. So just give it the time for it cook, and then we will add in the milk, you see me? Alright peeps, so it's time to add in the milk to the chocolate. Fresh cow milk pouring in, people. Fresh cow milk. Now I'm gonna use all that though, so I might have to use for other purpose. So that is it. So I still gonna sweeten it, peeps, with some condensed milk, you see me? Even though I use the natural cow's milk, still I gonna use some condensed milk to sweeten it. Yeah man, that is it. In the freezer still, so that's why it moves so lazy to come out, but eventually that will go reach. Yeah man, that is it. Everything mucha, you see me? Everything active. Now I'm gonna use too much of it still. Alright peeps, so time for drink the chocolate tea, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. Hot in a milk cup of chocolate tea. I like fire. Yeah man, if you drink chocolate tea, it's not chocolate tea if you don't drink it out of the cup. Yeah. It's a traditional in a milk cup. If not, like I said, then call it. A metal cup, you see me? Or mug, whatever you want to call it. Keep it hot too. Hot bad still, no? Fear me I slurp when I drink it because I try to cool it meanwhile I drink it. You see me? The nice piece, I tell you. Can't taste the spice them in it. The cinnamon leaf, the vanilla, nutmeg, can taste the fresh milk, everything, and the chocolate flavor, everything about out. Active man. Yeah man peeps, so just stay tuned, you see me? I'm gonna do a video with some corn soup, my jerk piece of pork, you see me? So I'm going away. If you don't know over, stay tuned, as I one love and respect. In the meantime, just go and like up the video, comment, share, subscribe. That is it. Yeah peeps, so the pork cook and tender, you know, you see me? No anything no softer than this. Yeah, no? Just gonna put it on pan my little makeshift grill, you see me? That is it peeps. Yeah man. That's how you look, you know. Make that go on. We should look at that smelly people. Can't eat already, you know, but you know, I'm going to eat like that, you see me? Make you go and get some more color and make you go and get the smoke flavor. In the meantime, I make a barbecue sauce, rub over it. Yeah man. And as you can see with the chicken back, leave the fat them pan it. You see me? When you have jerky, you know take off the fat them. See me? fat them a go melt off and give it a nice flavour. Because you know it's a chicken back are just fat and bone. So you still want something to eat. So that is it, peeps. Everything I go and active up. Here's smoke. Showing how I go and feed pork, peeps. So it's still. Yeah, man. Sizzling. See if I sizzle upon it. Yeah, man. Although when I eat pork today, I'm sorry for you because everything I mix up. Everything I mix up today. Yeah, man. That I go on pan the grill so far, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, so I have a barbecue sauce and I use ketchup, I use like scotch bonnet pepper, sugar, and some lime juice. Some people use vinegar, but this is just my recipe. I like a brown to give color. So I use the thyme and brush the pork with it. The smoke so you can hardly see it.
With some catch me socks.
Literally.
Now get none. Move.
Literally. Alright, see that now.
If they hear more often. So much good food I go on.
I put some pine chicken back there now, but you have to make it cook first. Because when you put the pan in, I have a knife fire for a while, it might burn, isn't it? So, yeah, man, I turn this again. You can see it. Yeah, man, see there?
Oh, yeah.
That is it.
Wait, you know, have so much more next to do. London, you're not gonna need to cook it more.
Yeah, just but not too long though. Just a couple minutes to make the sauce stick on pan it. And then remove it from the fire. Alright peeps, so this is the barbecue pork, you see me? Because of the smoke and I couldn't get to see it so clearly. But this is it. Look at that peeps. Look at that. Funny color. Look at the fat sizzling. Yeah man, I soon take it off, you know, because I don't want it to burn, you see me? It's because the barbecue sauce the pan easy to burn. So just go and turn them chicken back, yeah. Chicken back not hard for jerk, you know, so they actually cook already. So I'm just make that side they get some color. So they look nice peeps. Yeah man. So pork can soon come off, you know. Chicken back them, you know, I got and some barbecue sauce to them. That's right. Yeah man, then everything I got ready. You have some rice and steam inside. Plus the corn soup, corn and boil, you see me? Everything will go together. So you come down peeps. That is it. Yeah man, everything ready now. Everything fully ready now. Look at that. We should could have taste, you know. Yeah man, so my can soup ready, you know, man. Lord knows I have put piece of pepper in it same way, you see me? Yeah man, pimento same way, anything me I cook pimento off in it. and pepper, little pepper hide, you see me? That is it, man. I always have to drink out of my little enamel cup. Yeah, man. That is it, peeps. Oh, God. People. Flavor. As you can see, it's not a thick soup, isn't it? Not thick, but flavorful. Just like how I like it. Some point at the corner now, like fire. Sweet corn, no, so you know. I'm going to do the sweet corn. When I say sweet corn, now I have to describe the flavor. Yeah. This is just the appetizer, you know, peeps. So we'll move on to the main course. I go and catch up my stomach, you see me? Yeah, man, not because I'm a cookie people, but corn soup nice. So, catch me on the main course. Yes, Bree, so I can't taste. And the soup? Okay. Carry, how your food taste?
The pork, very nice. I love it. It's really nice. Look up your face. Okay. Very nice. Plus the corn and the rice. But me's not really that type of soup person, but the soup really nice.
Okay.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment.
That is it.
Yes.
So this is my plate, you know. So me have a pork, yeah. Cut up, you know. Chicken back there, some rice, you know. A milk onion them and thing over it. Yeah, man. So me sample the pork, you know. Pork nice, peeps. And there's the smoke flavor plus the barbecue flavor. Nice. They have a flavor like barbecue ribs. Flavor they have. Nice. Yeah, man. Nah, I'd man have it.
Okay. Yeah, eat me up. So much eat me up.
That is it, peeps. So thanks again, peeps, for watching. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me? And I hope you enjoyed the video. So one love and peace out.